beautiful. It's gardening day at work today. So we're going to try that tractor out. Talking quiet because it's only 5:30. Yeah. Look at them strawberries there. So yeah, I'm going to have a brew and then up allotment. Boom. Back up here. Look at that, 6:05. Nobody about. Henry's been keeping on top of weeding anyway. Looks like. It poured down last night, so everything's looking tip top. The celery's looking okay, I put in last week. Belted. What a morning. Oh, look at that beetroot. Oh, that's grown on it. Hey, good. Loads of leaves on that fig now. The iris are out. Meeting tonight, so hopefully I'll be taking them out tomorrow. Ooh, look in here, nice and dewy. These are beasting on these tomatoes, isn't they? Got a giant one there. Bloody hell. That grapevine's coming on there. Yeah, it's up to there now, see. So splitting some of these out to get it growing upwards. Got some sparks on we don't want. Yeah, it's looking champion in here. Good lad Henry. Looking after the ship. Look at them carrots are looking nice, aren't they? Everything growing smoothly. In the morning they're like silk, aren't they? Oh, look at the rhododendrons opening finally. That's because it's had a weeding in here. Nice, isn't it? Lovely. Whoa. Oh my god. These took off now. Tomatoes very soon, I think. Loving it. Whoa. He's got the 2 foot tall now, them tops. Check a couple of them in a bit. Look at that pumpkin. Cucumber on its way. some weed on its way. It's not tough. Hear that barn weed, me. Yeah, looking good. These carrots, bloody hell. I don't know. Right, root down. Just a load of carrots in. Been thinning them out, that's not a carrot, is it? What that is, right, it's feeding day for tomatoes, Henry's just feeding them. Tells me there's a tomato up here, let's have a look. Come on, show us your tomato. Go swear. Alicante. Let's have a look. Look at him, he's like a proud father. Oh, look at that, 2. Oh, I want 2 on the side of it, so we've got twins. Let's have a look at size of them. There you go. You should have been cupping up like that then, simply like that. Isn't that great, man?
I know, Ken's just been saying, what's that? It's a great man, eh? Yeah, so it's that cutting won't make take off. And we put it in.
3 years that's been, eh?
Yeah. So he's training one for go across here, one middle, one at this side. Oh, melting.
Get some ideas off him and going up there now. You can put a great man. Yeah. Just been taking these runners out of here again. These side shoots, and then there's one I missed. Look at that. A few more there. Oops. Not disturbing. Yeah, so there was a bit, but it was curling because they had side shoots in. See, there's another. And it puts all energy into that. That's where I took one out. And that's what leaves are like underneath. That's because that runner was left in. It'll be right in a minute because I've just given it. That was just opening up now on that one. Yeah, that'll ease it now. I've just got to give them a good dose of Epsom salts. Put that back. Where is it now? So, and now I'm going to feed them. So it's 1 cup of that in one of them. 1 for each bed. So that's 4 of them. And I'll get these out of them as well. Plenty of flowers on these now. No little tomatoes yet. But must get a bit more sun down that greenhouse down there. And tomatoes earlier. Yeah. Anyway, I'll get that feed. Eat. Excuse me. Some more iris there. And some more over there. Henry's just gone. Right, everything's had a feed with the seaweed feed. Everything in here. So it's all looking okay. Sorry for swinging about so fast. Yeah, everything's had a feed in there as well. And I've just fed all fruit trees the same seaweed. So that's everything okie dokie up here now. So I can get work now. We'll sort of cut apples on there. Granny Smith's done, I think. Bakers. And then a golden delicious. Size of them now. Start thinning them out a bit, I think now. Anyway, well, everything's been weeded again, and we've been weeding all week anyway. So it's all looking splendid. So now I'll go and get work and see you up there. Hey, we're here. Little beast. Luke's working all ready for us. Bit of advertising. Luke, I'm not going to film me doing it, but just done all them lawns up there. I'm just coming tidying up a bit more here now. If you look at these now, since we've weeded, turning red. So that's good. Give them another bit of a trim today. I'll take a bit more stuff out of there. What I'm doing with this, I'm just turning it over in clumps and let it break up, and then next time I come with my rake, I should just be able to rake it off and pull all the weeds out, because it's pretty solid under there with roots and all the roots off these plants. But I've done about 3 hours now. I'll do another half an hour and then I'm heading off home. Traffic will be building up a bit. Not done bad today. You can tell we've been here. We've done the 3 massive lawns and made a start on this. So there you go. I think I'll go and have a brew and a fag, and then I'll finish off.